We are going to see partly cloudy skies across much of the country this Monday, extending all the way from the west coast into the eastern parts of South Africa, with isolated thunderstorms forecast over the eastern half of the country, extending down into the interior of the Eastern Cape and across the southwestern interior. It's going to be dry but pretty breezy along the west coast throughout the day. So you can expect up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms all the way from Limpopo through Gauteng and Mpumalanga into the eastern parts of the Free State and western KwaZulu-Natal, maybe spilling into the northeastern sections of the Eastern Cape. And where you see that light shade of blue, we are expecting just a 20% chance of precipitation. Here's a look at top temperatures for your Monday afternoon. We are going to stay with temperatures around 27 degrees for Joburg as well as Bethlehem and Richards Bay. Durban will peak at 26, a high of 29 for Pretoria, 32 for Mahikeng as well as Kimberley, a sizzling 39 in Uppington. It will also be very hot in Springbok and Vredendal, both peaking at 33 degrees. Cooler compared to what we're being seen lately for Cape Town with a high of 28. Similar temperatures in Bishop and a high of 25 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. Here's a look at what's in store around the coastal areas. We are expecting poor beach conditions along the west coast thanks to strong winds expected here. And for the boaters, you will encounter swell heights of around 2 meters out in the open waters. Along the southwest coastline, we are also expecting strong winds here, gusting up to 45 kilometers per hour around the Force Bay area and on the Atlantic side of the Cape Peninsula. Swell heights in the open waters will average around 2.5 meters. Further east along the south coast, good beach conditions are expected. Dry weather is forecast here with moderate southeasterly winds throughout your Monday. Lastly, a look along the east coast where the winds are going to be rather fresh in East London and lighter winds are forecast for Durban and Richards Bay. We are expecting moderate southwesterlies into the Wild Coast area.